In a federal prison in Colorado, Ray watches the guards while burning a page from his Bible and using the ashes to draw on the wall. At that moment, his cellmate informs him that a prisoner is planning to attack Ray in the yard the next day. When the time comes, Ray attacks first and quickly overpowers 2 other prisoners, fighting like a pro and severely injuring them in the process. The guards immediately capture Ray and take him to solitary confinement, where he's allowed to keep his Bible. As days pass, Ray studies the guards' routines, like their smoking breaks and the use of a keypad lock. Ray also starts making little balls with toilet paper and water, which he hides inside the toilet paper tube. When they bring him lunch, he extracts a transparent plastic sheet from the milk carton. One afternoon, Ray asks a guard for the time, then he starts counting for himself. Outside, a mysterious woman leaves a car in the prison's parking lot, and as she walks away from it, she uses a control to make it explode. All the guards run to evacuate the prisoners, only to discover Ray has escaped. The fire truck rushes to take care of the fire, and it's revealed Ray is on it dressed as a fireman, using the chance to escape in a vehicle driven by his friends Hush and Abigail, who triggered the explosion. They drop Ray at a store by the road and give him a coin, which Ray uses to call a certain number and just say the word showtime. Soon Ray is surrounded by policemen and he's arrested again, but he isn't bothered because his contact Lester is already taking care of it. Later in the prison, Lester explains that he and Ray work for a company hired by the government to break out of prisons and expose the flaws in their security systems. Ray has already escaped from 14 prisons and explains how he did this time. He studied the layout and the routines, discovering an unsecured fire garage. He made some enemies on purpose to be sent to solitary confinement, where he noticed the prison was understaffed and he was left alone whenever the guards left to smoke. Then he wrote a letter for his team, hiding the chosen day to escape in code. He also put the plastic sheet on the keypad to get the guards' fingerprints and retrieved it by hiding it in his Bible. The sheet gave him the 4 numbers, so to guess the sequence, he used the paper balls on the door's food hatch to stop it from locking properly, and when the guards weren't around, he would put his hand out to test combinations until it worked. While the guards were out smoking, Ray came out, rewound the security cameras